And in another judicial matter, Justice Maryam Aliyu Hassan of the FCT High Court has admitted former Minister of Labour Chris Ngige pictured there to bail pending the determination of his trial. The judge adopted the administrative bail earlier granted to the former Anambra State Governor by the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission based on his self-recognition as part of the bail conditions. Our senior reporter Celestine Area has details.
In addition to the existing conditions, Justice Hassan ordered Mr. Ngige to produce a surety who must be a serving director in the federal government. The surety is required to own landed property within the Federal Capital Territory, supported by a valid certificate of occupancy, and must deposit the original documents with the court. The director is also required to surrender his international passport to the court registrar. Pending the fulfillment of bail conditions, the former minister is to remain at the Kuje Correctional Center. Justice Hassan held that the charges against Mr. Ngige are bailable offences, stressing that the Constitution presumes him innocent until proven otherwise. The judge further cautioned against imposing outlandish, excessive and overly stringent bail conditions, noting that such practices could amount to an indirect refusal of bail. Chris Ngige, a former governor of Anambra State, was arraigned on December 12th by the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission on an 8-count charge bordering on alleged corrupt practices. He pled not guilty to all charges. His counsel, Patrick Ikwetu, Senior Advocate of Nigeria, argued the bail application on December 15th. However, the EFCC, through its counsel, Sylvanus Dahil, Senior Advocate of Nigeria, strongly opposed the application. The prosecution argued that Mr. Ngige had allegedly jumped the early administrative bail granted him by the EFCC, failed to return his travel documents after an overseas trip, and also refused to report to the commission until he was rearrested. Justice Hassan had adjourned the matter to January 28 and 29, 2026 for commencement of trial.
The defendant presently has no international passport. The court accepted that position that he lost his international passport when he traveled. The court said that he should apply and get his own international passport again. And once that is done, he will deposit that with the court, and the surety's own will be returned to the surety.
Mr. Ngige is accused by the EFCC of awarding contract to his associate and alter ego and also receiving kickbacks from this company. These alleged offences are contrary to Section 17A of the Corrupt Practices and Other Offences Act of 2000, and if found guilty, the defendant is liable to 5 years imprisonment without an option of fine. Celestina Iria, TVC News, Abuja.